I'm back. And I'm back on the road. I am so excited after a nice week or so of rest, staycation. I'm back on the road and I'm ready to go antiquing. I've got a clear mind. I got lots of energy. Let me not get the strangers in the picture. And I stumbled upon this really interesting looking antique mall. I love the color of the building. They have a bunch of great stuff outside. I've never been here. Let's go in and see what it's all about. Obviously, other than the color and the awesome font, it sticks out to me. Also, talking about font, this sticks out to me. Some really cool pieces here. I love the festival sign, and also super into that bench. That's neat. This definitely sticks out to me. If you guys don't know, I have a 8-foot taxidermy tiger, and that's got my name written all over it. Some carnival glass. Definitely the one on the far right stands out to me the most. High iridescent, but also this brooch. It looks like enamel painted almost. It's kind of neat. Cloisonne enamelware. Oh, and look at that super thin kind of bimini style perfume bottle. That's really pretty. And I was looking at this brooch, kind of interesting folk arty style with the beads. Also noteworthy is this little Murano angel candle holder. Love the color on that, but it's actually down here. That is really fun. Higgins fused glass art. I love the flower on that. Great graphics. Spectacular case of costume jewelry. It's definitely the bottom shelf that catches my attention the most. The metal enamel flower brooches. Love the green. So far I think I'm gonna get into the case with the metal enamel flowers. I'm also gonna take a look at this, what looks to be, I think it's Occupied Japan. Is it Occupied Japan? The little polka dot anthropomorphic cat. That's a great piece, and that's only priced at $7.99. Definitely noteworthy are the lamp advertisements. I actually have one of the General Electric store display ads similar to that. I actually like mine better. This lamp, this light bulb is everything. It's pretty spectacular. Well, the little polka dot cat I did grab. Unfortunately, the metal enamel flower brooches were spendy. Oh my gosh. Look at all these miniature hens and dogs on nest. Those are great buys at $8 each. Really good price. And it's no surprise to find these. We're right near Mosser. $24 on the jadeite hand, even though it's a newer one. That's a pretty good deal. I am gonna be kind of particular, just mostly because this is day one of, spoiler alert, a 10-day road trip. So I'm trying to keep it to those special pieces. However, you cannot go wrong with a jadeite hand for $24. These are super popular and sell well for me. It can be our hand of the hour. This is really neat looking. This hand-blown picture. Love the effect that looks kind of like poles on it. That's at $50. Definitely eclectic. Of course, this little, what I believe to be Inarco girl, if I remember correct, stands out to me the best. Well, Sunday best, there you go, $4. She does have a broken hand though. Those are usually broken. At least some part of them. Little rat fink guy. Well, he's not little. It's actually the rubber face plush that attracted me the most. Huckleberry Finn. Huckleberry Hound. Huckleberry Hound. Knickerbocker. Little Italian piece. Got some wear to it. Another rubber face. Ooh, that one's seen better days. Ick. Wow, I'm gonna have to find a restroom to wash my hands after that one. Very unpleasant. Head vase, not particularly exciting, and got damage. I'm gonna leave that one. Let's keep going. A lot of Chinese looking glass. It's actually this tumbler that sticks out to me the most. Can't figure out, I can never figure out how to open these things. Oh, it's by the side, okay. Stand by. Black Anvis Carnival Tumbler. Well, I do not like the top of that. It's kind of sharp. The bamboo effect is definitely different though. Kind of reminds me of dripping. There is a lot of repop, a lot of newer stuff. Definitely older stuff scattered in, which makes it kind of more fun to hunt. Of course, I kind of know that my next stop is going to be a really serious antique mall, which I'm very excited about. This is interesting. They have a lot of really great large pieces here, like larger than my car large. I love the pig, even though he's contemporary Chinese. Seems to be a lot of that over here. Still fun though, little panda. These are very neat candlesticks. Pair of MCM brass candlesticks, $49. I like those. Really neat figural style. It's the lucite napkin holder that stood out to me. $19 is definitely a decent price. Can make a couple bucks off of it for resale, as well as it's good for a collector. But I've had a bunch of them recently, so it's a little more than I'd like to spend. This is a really fun lamp. I love this style. And there's something interesting about this golfer statue. I like the look of this booth. Little Formica table, really fun ashtray. Love a good Formica moment. Tin toy mallard is fun. It's actually over here. 5-finger swung, 33. Nice purple color. This is a really awesome one. I love the kind of fluted mouth. This says Viking, but I feel like it's Fenton. Could be wrong though. This Snow White chalkware is a great piece at $39. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. The Royal Dalton cat has definitely a unique look about it. And this lamp is fantastic. So good. The baggies of figurines here got my attention. Very mixed bag, pun intended. Appears to be all elephants, which I kind of like. What's this one back here? A little art glass elephant pincushion. That's fun. What's this one? A little miniature pink elephant missing his family. Nothing that's exciting me enough to basket it though. What's this back here? Vintage speckled ceramic vase. Hobbyist piece. That's kind of fun. And back here, Judas Styles. $18 and 30% off. Well, that's a great deal. If I'm not mistaken, Judas Styles is good stuff. I feel like I had a piece like a year or two ago. Yeah, 1980s. Signed. I love the colors in it. I love the fact that it's got that gloss glaze, and these colors usually you see the Native American pieces in this color, and they've got the matte finish, but this is different, and it comes to like $13, so I am gonna go ahead and pick this one up. Funky. Well, that's not something you see every day. It's also kind of interesting, this giant string ball, conveniently priced at $450. Better get to your local Michael's and start crafting away there. Fun little antique mall there. I spent $48 in there, which is not bad considering what I got. The hand will bring that alone. And I'm going down the road to a really exciting spot, 5 years in the making. Stay tuned.